but the science also states that it not only the frontal cortex fires and starts to expand and grow, but it also activates the right side hemisphere of the brain, which is the creative center, right? And so as you're diving into more creativity, it allows you to expand what's beyond even the logistical, logical thinking. You can actually take a bird's eye view and come out of the box and see possibilities that maybe you were not able to see before. And this is all done through the lens of play, right? They've also discovered that when in play, especially, not only children, but again, this is also for adults. When adults are in play, it actually activates the homeostasis. It brings in the regulation of that. And so what exactly does that mean? Well, homeostasis is, if you think of the things our body really needs or our being really needs, it's when we withhold or withheld something that's really important for us. Take water, for instance. So coming into homeostasis means that our body actually needs it just as much as something as water. And so if you don't drink water all day, right, it actually like creates like a backlog, so that when you do get a glass of water, you're really thirsty and you start to drink even more water than you would have if you'd been drinking water all day. Same with food. If you withhold food, on the other side, when you finally get to a meal, you're really hungry and you would eat more than what you usually would. They're finding this with play as well. So when we have a backlog of play, when we have the ability to actually tap into that, there is even more that wants to come through, just in the way that we would drink more water. And it's because we yearn for it. There's a place of yearning, and the science behind the yearning is the prefrontal cortex knows that it's going to grow, it's going to expand, and that actually pours into you in a chemical basis, in a hormonal basis, in a way that it regulates our nervous system in ways that we can't even imagine. And so in these studies, they've discovered that play actually makes us smarter, right? It actually makes us more skilled in many different aspects